Hey guys, so for today's video I'll be transforming my hair into this. Just keep on watching. Okay, so I got my extension hair here. So this is like 50 strands right here, and the hair feels plastic, but at the same time it's like smooth. It's not like really stiff, you know, like, you know, some hair is like really stiff, but this one is good enough. So this is the color I chose. And I also got some tools for the hair. So I got the pliers and also this thing and the beads. So I never actually tried extension on my hair, but since I want to change up my hair color, I thought why not try hair extension by myself. And if you guys are interested about this product, I will link it down below. And yeah, let's just get started. So what I want is like a highlight underneath my hair, so it's like a peek-a-boo effect. So I will be like parting my hair maybe here, like around the crown area. Okay, so we're zoomed in. Okay, so how this works is you get this tool and then you put this bead inside, and then you grab some hair. I think the thinner the better. So you get some hair and then you hook some hair and then close this and you pull up. Struggling right now. There you go. So you got your hair, and gonna get the extension hair and place it in the bead. Take your plier and just make it tight. So this is how it looks like. And I saw some tutorials, they say don't put it too close or it will hurt your scalp. So that's the first strand. I'm gonna apply a few more. So
wait, what's your name again? Wait. Just another night, I was feeling fine. Insane, playing bye bye bye. Then we finally kissed. I was like, oh shit, shit. Boy, I had to try. I can't even lie. Didn't really think you changed my mind, but what can you do? I guess I needed to. Yeah.
okay, so since this extension is long, I have to cut it because my hair is short. So yeah, I just put like 5 strands there, and yeah, let's just cut this off. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut it like here. There. Make sure it's even. Just make sure it blends with your hair. Okay, so I guess this is fine. So I'm done with the extensions, and I'm just gonna part it in the middle. But yeah, this is like the style of peekaboo hair. I think I have to cut it a bit more, but yeah, this is my hair, and I think I'm gonna add more because I can't really see it much. Yeah, basically this is how my hair is looking right now. Just a bit of highlights on one side. And yeah, the first few tries I did was kind of hard because I didn't want it to be too close on my scalp. But yeah, it gets easier, and I think there's a better tool for this one because when it's grabbing the hair, it's quite hard. So yeah, you guys, what do you guys think? I love this teal color, and yeah, I'm just gonna have fun with it. After so long, I have colored hair. Like, I don't really do crazy colors on my hair, but yeah, at least now I have color and it didn't damage my hair. No dyeing needed. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Got a case of